Yeah, turn me up. Yeah, what up? It's your boy Ghetto Fresh in the building. This is the life of mine. Let me tell you a little about my life, man. Real talk. You know I got a wife though, stay strapped with a nine. Hold up. One day I came in home. One day I was coming home from school and know me and my little cousin Joe. I told her about the mother, cause the nigga violate me. And when I told him about the mother, me and that little nigga started a fight. A big nigga riding his fucking bicycle. Pull up on the corner though, where we fucking fight. Nigga came off the bike, started hitting the both of us. I told that nigga suck him out, that nigga hit me in my face. I go home, blood up. I told that nigga Joe, anytime I catch him on the block, I'ma shot him. Same day I go home blooding, jumping in the bathroom, never say a word to my family. Came home back and no, grabbed the strap, stuck it on my waist like I'm 50 Cent. Pull up on the black like I'm Tony. See this fucking nigga talking to my uncle. Took the gun off my waist, walk up to him. What's up, little nigga? You ain't chasing, you ain't saying a motherfucking word, nigga. You wanna piss your pants, nigga? What's up, nigga? Yeah, I backs him with the glass. I backs him with the strap. Little nigga spitting out the blood. A mouth full of blood, he can't talk. I work gonna shoot him though. But I told that pussy nigga anytime he see me run though, he better don't look at me though. He ain't gonna be like this, he gonna be shooting out, nigga. Better stay strapped. I'm a young nigga, carry 52 strapped in my gun, boy. My whole team, they strapped. What up to my nigga from Flatbush, they strapped. Shout out to my nigga from the East New York. Shout out to my nigga from the West Coast now. Shout out to my nigga from the East Coast now. Shout out to my nigga from the Oast. Yeah, Kingston, what up? Portmore, what up? Rap Bat, what up? Yo, Charter Road, what up? Brownstone, what up? Yeah, what up? Hold up, I won't even done. Dunkirk, what up? Yeah, this is a life of Ghetto Fresh. Got some wife. Somebody get a life for this little nigga. Cause he ain't got a wife, he ain't got a lighter. Pussy nigga, get the fuck out. Help my club. Ain't talking about.